Hey everybody, Carl here from Apt, and we've got the brand new Samsung Q9FN series television here with us today. We're going to unbox it for you and show you what comes with it. And first things first, we're going to have to cut these straps off, and then there's some tape that we have to cut through. So we'll start off by doing that. And it's also important to remember you're going to want to have a second person with you when you're unboxing this, because it is a large box and you don't want anything to happen to it. And we're going to cut the tape as well. Wow, I'm having a good time here trying to do this. It shouldn't be that hard for most of you, don't worry. It's just cutting tape. So as we open up the top here, we've got the quick setup guide. We've got our One Connect box, as you can see here. A packet of accessories. Looks like we've got the One Connect cable, the remote, some spacers, power cord, and some AAA batteries for the remote, as well as some instructions. We've got pedestal feet. A metal bar. This is the cover stand front, it looks like, according to the sticker. We'll learn a little bit more about that as we get the TV assembled for you. And that is it for the top. So we'll take the top piece of styrofoam out first. And we got one more piece that we can take out here. And for this part, I will need the help of our friend Tom. So Tom, if you don't mind. There he is.
Thanks, Carl.
Thanks, Tom. And remove some more styrofoam here. And take a quick look at the front of the TV. And so from here, we're actually going to pause for a second, get this all assembled for you, and then show you kind of a first image on the TV. So stick right with us and we'll be right back. All right, so we've got everything unboxed. We've got the TV set up. We've got a picture on here for you to take a quick look at. And first impressions are the picture is very, very nice on this. We haven't gotten to do a whole lot of testing yet, so make sure you stay tuned for the overview video we're gonna do. We get a different remote control with the Q9FN. This remote is same buttons, same layout, but it's just more premium materials. It's all metal. It just feels really nice. So you got that to look forward to with the Q9FN. As I said, make sure you guys stay tuned. We are going to do a full product overview on this one for you as well. As always, we appreciate you checking out our videos, and don't forget to subscribe so you get updates whenever we post new content.